All right, so let's take a look at this one first.
Oh my god.
Once you look at it, what are you looking for? So the first thing I like to see is if it looks like a tooth, like a natural, like a permanent teeth already. So looking at this one, what do you think? Is an upper or is a lower?
Lower.
Why?
It has 3 roots.
It had 3 roots. That's the first one that you had. Small roots, but you had 3 roots. It's an upper. So which one will be my mesial side?
On the right.
My right side, right? This is my mesial side. This is my distal side. And looking at this one, you have the mesial cervical bulge on the right side. This will be my lingual. What tooth will be this one?
Upper second.
Second molar. That's gonna be looks like a first permanent molar. Okay, so this is the first molar. That will be the A. All right, everybody look at it.
Because it looks like it has that cusp of carabelli. Like it looks
Yeah, but the cascarabelli is, see, it's huge over there.
So you call that a cusp
Yeah.
of carabelli?
Yep.
Oh.
So this one is it looks like a first permanent molar. Okay, so this is A. All right. Okay, this is the next one. Looking at this one. This is one of the two that doesn't look like a tooth. So which one will be this one?
First molar.
Upper, lower?
Lower?
It's a lower. Look at it. If I look at it like that, I'm looking at the roots too. You got 2 roots, so it's gonna be a lower, mesial and distal. The biggest one is the mesial side. You have the cervical bulge. Okay, so it's right on the vocal side. This will be my vocal side. This is my lingual side. Mesial and distal. So this would be tooth number. That would be L. Okay.
Yeah. I'm just taking L.
That's what I gotta have this one. I don't do this one that much. The next one. All right. Look at this one again. What it looks like? Upper or lower?
So like a lower.
It's a lower first, right? Permanent. So this will be the second molar. What side will be mesial? Which one will be distal?
Your left would be mesial.
This will be mesial. Why?
Because the distal.
You had the distal cusp on this side, and you had the big root over here. That would be your mesial root. You got 2 roots. One mesial, one distal.
What?
2 roots.
That was mesial.
This is the mesial. See this
Like a
one?
distal thing.
You had 2 roots, and this is the biggest one. This
Okay.
the mesial side, and you have the distal cusp on this side too.
So you look at it just like a first mandibular
Like a first
molar?
mandible, and I know that it's the second molar.
Okay.
So that's
I
the
don't
easy
mix
way.
them the same
I don't
with
get
permanent
confused.
teeth.
I go with the permanent teeth first, like looking at it. And when I see that it's like a first, I know that it's my second one.
But on the
On the practical.
yeah, what's on
practical.
the practical? Just primary teeth?
No, it's gonna be a primaries, anomalies, and all the teeth. Anteriors,
How am I
posteriors.
gonna know that's a baby tooth and not a first?
Oh, take a look at it. When you
Size.
compare the size and everything, it's gonna be like that. I don't have that many, that's why. The one that is gonna be on the ID is on the ID already. Nobody see that one until the time of the practical. So this is for mock-up.
The roots are really wide.
And they don't have root trunks, right?
No, look at it. It's really tiny, small, and you'll see it. All right, so everybody saw this one. You see the cervical bulge too, the mesial bulge. It's right there. Mesial side, distal side, lingual, and the vocal. So that would be distal. That would be T. Okay. Next one. All right, upper or lower? Upper. It looks like a first permanent molar, so that will be a second molar. All right, left or right? Which one is my mesial? Left or right? Which one is my mesial side?
Can't see the roots.
Okay, the roots are there. So you have 2 roots on the vocal, 1 in the lingual. So this is my lingual, this is my vocal side. Which one is the mesial? Which one is the distal?
Left is mesial.
This will be distal. This is the distal cusp. This is the mesolingual cusp. This will be my mesial side.
You have cusp of carabelli.
It doesn't have the cascarabelli, but
Okay,
it's
okay.
barely there. But still, it's a heart shape. You have a bit distal. Mesial side will be this one. And you have the bulge too. See a little bulge on this one. You have 3 roots. This will be your mesial side.
Is the mesial buccal root bigger than the
Yes.
on this one too?
Yes, same thing, see?
Yeah.
If you look at it like that, and you have the big lingual lingual root. So this would be A.
Do permanent teeth have the bulge also?
No.
It's just
Yes,
primary?
on the primary, yes. Upper and lowers. This is cervical bulge. There we go. There we go. Another one. Which one would you think is this one?
Doesn't look like a tooth.
Well, yes, it does.
Lower second.
Is it like a
Lower second.
first?
It looks like a lower first, but this would be a lower
A
second.
lower second, primary teeth. All right, you have two. You got 2 roots, one mesial, one distal. Which one is the mesial? Which one is the distal?
What is
This
this?
one's mesial.
That would be mesial. Look at that one. You have the lingua cusp, mesial vocal, distal cusp is a huge cusp, but you have the bigger over here is the mesial. The root is bigger on the mesial than the distal. So this will be what letter would be this one?
T.
How would you know that's not a wisdom tooth?
No, wisdom tooth is on the permanent teeth. It doesn't
Yeah,
have
but
it
when
still
it's mixed
looks
in
like
with
those
the-
roots look so weird.
Oh, the roots are really tiny.
Yeah.
If it's a permanent, it's gonna be a lot of
It has wear.
supplementary grooves, a lot of wear. Well, the
It's
third one
almost
doesn't have,
flat.
and the crown. I mean, the roots are gonna be fused together towards the distal. This one, I mean, there's no way you can.
Does it have like the little flat erosion things on it?
Some of them, this doesn't. See, maybe a little bit now, but it's kind of brand new. This doesn't last too long, so it's kind of cast tips, so a little bit wear.
Yeah, but see how the
Yeah.
cusp tips look pretty
And you can
flat.
see all the wear is on the vocal side. So
Right.
you know that it's a lower. All right, so that would be
Probably.
T. Okay, what else we got?
I keep hearing different.
All right, now look at this one. What it looks like. Upper, lower.
Upper.
It's an upper. It's got the heart shape. And this looks like a... No, it's an upper. It's an upper. Now, it doesn't look like a permanent tooth. It looks like
So it's an upper.
Upper first primary.
upper first primary. Look at the mesial bulge. It's huge. Okay? You got 3 roots. Tiny, but it's there. So this is my mesial side. This is my distal side. It looks like a premolar, but it's like a molar shape, like a heart shape, but it's like a premolar from the vocal side. So this will be your first deciduous molar. So that will be what letter?
B.
B. Okay.
Why do we know? I'm sorry. Why do we know that wasn't upper second?
Upper second, if it's yeah, it will look like a first permanent.
Okay.
Okay, let's go this one. All right, now what is this one like?
Lower first.
Lower first, it doesn't look like a tooth, and it's bulkier mesial distally. All right, you have the mesial bulge, cervical bulge. You have 2 roots. That will be your mesial side. This will be your distal side. It's a lower. All right. So what letter will be this one?
L.
Which one?
I said L.
L. Yes. L. Okay. Look at this, the bulge. That's what they're looking at it. All right. This one is, I mean, it doesn't look like a tooth and everything, but I mean, you can see that it's all. But go with the bulge. Most of the time, the bulge is gonna be there and the root is gonna be there. That helps a lot. All right. Canines. All right. Now we have the canines. The canines is hard. The way I look at it, I like to do the canines is like I think like a permanent teeth. Once I see it, if it's an upper, I go like a permanent teeth and then I switch it around. So you're gonna have all the combinations of the left is gonna be the right side. All right. Let's talk about it. Let's go number 6. Number 6. What's the main thing that they have the cusp? The cusp is supposed to be right towards the mesial, because the cusp ridge is going to be smaller. All right, the distal cusp ridge is going to be longer. Line angle, straighter on the mesial. The distal is going to be rounder. All right, what happened on the primary teeth? Same tooth, is the opposite side. So if you think that the mesial is shorter, then that's going to be the distal side, because it's the opposite. It's the cusp tip is going to be towards the distal. Change everything.
On the bottom.
Uppers only. The lowers is regular, like a permanent canine. Use the upper, they change. It looks like the opposite side. All right, so let's take a look at this one. First of all, you gotta decide if it's an upper or lower.
Upper.
Upper. Why?
It's wide
It's really wide, and what is the wear?
on the lingual.
On the lingual side.
Will there
Alright.
be a lot of wear on these?
Yeah, I mean, that's what they wear it. They wear it down the central incisors and the canines. Most of the time, the cusp tip is gone. All right. So now, if I'm looking at it, this is an upper. Now remember, if I'm looking at it like this, which one will be my mesial? Think about permanent teeth. Don't think I look at okay. For me, that would be my mesial side, right? Look at the cusp ridge, look at the line angle, look at the cingulum. So this would be my mesial side on permanent tooth. So that would be number 11. On my permanent teeth would be on the other side. That would be C.
Okay.
So you
Okay.
say do everything like a permanent?
Just on the uppers.
On the uppers.
That's what I do. Yes.
So that this is not your mesial. This is distal. This is mesial.
Right.
On this tooth.
On the residual tooth. But I mean, I'm thinking about permanent tooth. Don't get confused.
And then change the number because it's easier than
Exactly.
being like, yeah.
Exactly. So I put on the for me permanent tooth is number 11. I go to the other side. That will be easy. That's the way I do
Just
it.
for the uppers.
Just for the uppers. Lowers is regular, like the other ones. Okay, that's what I do. So that I don't want to get anybody confused, but that's the way I like it. And that way I don't get confused with either one of the two. That's it. Okay, this is that one, so I don't get confused. All right, next one. All right. Okay, another one. What, upper, lower? It's a lower. Why?
It looks like
It's got 2 roots.
I cast 2 roots, so it's a remaining like a first molar, permanent first molar. Okay, so this is which one is mesial, which one is distal? Oops, let's see, right or left is mesial. This is your mesial side, yes. See, this is where your distal cast. This is your mesial side. You can see the roots, small, bigger. All right, so that would be letter. Second molar, what? That would be K. It's the mesial side. K. You see, this is the mesial. This is this is my vocal side, lingual side, distal. That would be K. All right, everybody. Okay. Next one. All right, look at this one. That's the bad thing about the sushi. Sometimes pieces is gonna be there, so now the whole thing comes out. All right, what it looks like?
A premolar.
Like a premolar, right? So this will be an upper. All right, first molar. All right, which one is my mesial? Which one is my distal? Look for the cervical mesial bulge. Where is it? It's on the right side. So that makes my mesial side. You have 3 roots, 1, 2, and the third is gone. So this is my mesial side. This is my distal side. Vocal and lingual. This number?
Trick question, it's a letter.
D. All right. Next one.
we're going through all of them.
We're not trying to.
Okay.
Okay, this is, see, pieces come out, so don't count on this.
Forget about it.
Yeah, forget about that one. I have some anomalies too over here, so. All right, look at this one. Upper, lower.
Upper.
You already know 3 roots goes. It looks like a permanent first molar, so it will be a second molar. Right there, you know. Which one is the mesial? Left or right? Left.
Or right.
Oh, you're right. You're right. You're right, my left. All right, so that would be my mesial. What letter would be?
J.
J.
It's the letters that are confusing me.
Yeah, we
That's what I gotta have it. That's why I like to have this one in front of me. On the ID, you're gonna have the big one from 1 to 16, and you have the small one. And we're gonna have a time if you can do your
I'm gonna
own.
write it.
You can do your own.
Mine.
Yeah, good.
You can do your own diagram, your own pictures, or whatever you want. All right, so this will be what letter?
J.
J. There we go. Next one. There we go, another one. Upper, lower. It's an upper. All right, you have 3 roots. It would be a first. It looks like a premolar, so that would be the first molar. Mesial bulge. That would be mesial side. Distal
would it
side.
be I?
This will be I.
Okay.
There we go. Everybody agree? All right, the next one, somebody's gonna do it. So that way we can start doing it. All right, who wants to give it first?
It's just hard to see.
I know, that's why I'm gonna give it to you.
Oh, we can't do it.
This is a piece. See, this is that's why I don't give this one away, because I mean, I always lose some and I don't have that many. All right, who wants to be first? Don't fight, only one.
Wait,
There we go.
Yeah, wait.
All right.
Okay, yeah, I can do it.
Okay, do it.
This is my mesial side.
Okay, why? It's upper or lower first?
It's a lower
Why?
because it has 2 roots.
Yeah, there we go.
That's my mesial side, and the root is like way bigger. And then this is my vocal side.
Your vocal side.
So then it would be. Wait, I forgot which one it would be on the.
Can you tell me? Which one is your vocal?
Wait.
That's your vocal. Which one is your mesial?
Oh, they would go right here.
Okay, let's see. Yep, that's your mesial side. That's your vocal. You got the cervical bulge right here. So what letter?
T.
That would be T. If you lose like a second, like a first molar permanent, it will be a second molar.